regardless the place I present, be it in South or North America or Europe, or if I'm presenting in Asia or in the Middle East, or if it's online or a person event, it doesn't matter. When it comes to the advancement of technology, especially the use of AI in day-to-day operations, there is one lingering question. People are always asking, will AI replace me in my job? Will AI take my place in the market? And the answer is no. I don't think AI in itself is able to replace you. You are very smart, you are very capable, you can move forward with wisdom that machines cannot have. But I believe someone that knows how to use AI and it's able to apply it to make themselves more productive will probably take your job. So that's why we're putting together an 8-week mentorship to help you leverage the wisdom that you already have and the use of AI to propel you forward, be it for career advancement or to be more productive in the things that you already do. This will help you. So check the link in the bio, register today. This mentorship is 100% free. There is no gimmicks, no gotchas. So I'm waiting for you to register.